So this one is, we both use Zola.
I love Zola.
I know, I loved it. It was
Saves
really
my
great.
life, for sure.
Yeah. How'd you feel when you first went to Zola though?
I felt relieved because we decided to do the non-wedding planner routes. My fiance and I are our own wedding planners, so it definitely takes a tremendous amount of like pressure and stress off of you, because when you're getting started in the planning, you're like, what am I gonna do? Like, how am I, gonna get this done? And we were just doing it ourselves. We didn't have like a lot of family helping us, parents, so we were just navigating it on our own. And just, I think in general with our professional backgrounds, we love tasks and deadlines. And I love the task feature with Zola.
Yes.
But I will say, getting married in 6 months versus planning it for the year, the tasks do get overwhelming.
There's a lot of tasks.
For sure.
But what I love about Zola is how they give you the option to delete tasks.
Yeah.
So they're really there as suggestions because they don't want you to miss anything.
Yeah.
So
and you
I
can
appreciate
edit
that.
the tasks.
You can edit them.
Yeah, because there were a couple of things that needed to be on our to-do list that weren't traditional things. Like we decided to hire TaskRabbit people to help with the wedding cleanup and serve and all that stuff.
Oh, that's such a great idea. I wish I talked to you about that before.
Yeah. So there's just different things that we were able to kind of add in on that. We just didn't have the time.
Yeah.
Just being busy, working millennials with our own companies.
Yeah.
We didn't have the time to fit the 12-month worth of tasks into our short 6 months.
And you guys are doing it in 6 months. We did it in 6 weeks.
Ooh.
So anything is possible. But yeah, we did the same thing. We went into Zola, we went through all the different prompts, and then deleted out things that just didn't apply because we had prioritized what was important to us. But definitely don't feel, if you're feeling overwhelmed, just know that's easy to delete.
Yeah.
We want you to delete. It's for your own woo-saw.
It's for your own mental health.
Yes. MentalHappy.
Right, for sure. And it cuts your stress in half, and it cuts your budget down. So there's a lot of reasons to not do things. Like we found some really great Spotify playlist suggestions versus going the DJ route. So your wedding is your own, so just do what feels right to you. Definitely consider, family and your friends, and you want to make them comfortable for the event, but definitely don't overdo it if it's not feasible. Yeah,
and check out the next video that I'm going to put up, just so that you never feel bullied during the wedding planning process. Often you're doing this for the first time, or even if you're not doing it for the first time, you're very aware that sometimes you can feel pressured by different people in the industry who are telling you all the things that you don't have or surprised you. So definitely check that out, because I want to make sure that everybody goes through the wedding process and doesn't feel bullied. It should be fun and exciting and something that's really all about you. So that's just
And what was all about the two of us is like, we prioritized memories and our jewelry, our rings that we wanted to buy. So we felt like, photography and, things that actually make memories.
Yeah.
We were willing to splurge a little bit more, and the ring, we were willing to splurge a little bit more of our wedding budget. So stay tuned for our next video. Click to the next one, and I'll show you guys what our engagement ring looks like. This is actually my temporary ring that we bought in Turkey, where he proposed to me, but I'll show you guys my real ring that we had made from a jeweler. So
it's such a good story. So I'll be looking forward to that one too, because I won't be there. All right, well, sounds good. And make sure you guys check it out. Use Zola, but also use the delete button.
Yeah.
Bye.